You finally lie down. Israel is quiet outside, your body exhausted. And then it starts. 1 bark. 2. 10. The neighbor's dog decides, once again, to remind everyone who really owns a block. It's not just an annoying noise. It's night after night with no sleep. Kids waking up scared, people coming home exhausted from work just trying to rest, and the barking pushing through the window like it was invited in. In theory, the first step is always good neighbor conversation. Talk to the dog's owner. Be respectful. Explain the situation. Sometimes it works. The owner takes action, hires a trainer, changes the dog's routine. But not always. In Israel, this isn't just about courtesy. The law is on your side. Noise regulations and prevention of nuisances law allow constant barking to be treated as an unreasonable noise disturbance that violates your basic right to rest. Beyond that, the law places responsibility fully on the owner. The dog must be kept under control and in conditions that do not create danger or excessive disturbance to others. A dog does not have the right to bark all night long. The owner has a duty to prevent it. When conversation fails, official mechanisms take over. Many cities in Israel clearly state in their municipal bylaws, a barking dog that disturbs neighbors is a prohibited nuisance. City Hall can send a warning letter, send inspectors, or in persistent cases, issue fines. Here's a practical, step-by-step method. Talk to the neighbor and write down dates, times, and what was said. Record the hours when the barking happens, especially late at night, between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. Call 106, the municipal hotline. File a complaint for dog barking noise. Request the case number. In most municipalities, the complaint goes to the Veterinary Enforcement Department. They send a formal letter requiring the dog owner to take action, change where the dog sleeps, reduce outside stimulation, seek training, whatever is necessary to stop the disturbance. If nothing changes and the barking continues, you must complain again. In many cities, repeated verified complaints can lead to administrative fines or even legal proceedings by the municipality for violating nuisance laws. But what if it's not just noise? If the dog is loose, aggressive, lunges at people, or threatens you in the building or street, this is no longer only a nuisance. It's a safety issue. In that case, you can call the police at 100 or use the emergency app. Police can also involve the veterinary authorities. When the problem is serious, constant, documented, and nothing helps, the legal route becomes an option. In Israel, you can file a claim for nuisance under the same law and municipal regulations. Sometimes you can do this in small claims court, requesting compensation, and, in some cases, an order requiring the owner to stop the disturbance. For any legal path, organization is everything. Keep a log of barking dates and hours. Record videos or audio when possible. Save all complaint numbers and emails from the municipality. Track every response you receive. This shows the court the problem is real, ongoing, and proven, not just you being annoyed by a neighbor's dog. In practice, many cases resolve before reaching court. Sometimes a single municipal letter, or the knowledge that you have already consulted a lawyer, is enough to change the owner's behavior. Nobody wants to be sued because of dog barking. Living in a community means accepting normal daily noise, kids, renovations, life happening. But accepting everything at any hour is not anyone's obligation. Barking may be love for the dog's owner, but for the neighbor who can't sleep, it can be a daily attack on health and dignity. If non-stop barking is destroying your peace, remember, you're not the difficult neighbor. There are laws. There are official channels. There is legal action. This isn't about hating animals. It's about protecting yourself. Because in the end, the silence you're fighting for isn't a luxury. It's a right. Chamberlain Law Office, protecting your peace, your rights, and your sleep.